you go. Okay. So now that's in. I think I'm in.
Is this in? I see a gap here.
Okay, here. Oh yeah, there's a gap because it's... You know what we should do? Reverse this, not do that. We should do the other screw first. Up to where it doesn't fall out. Oh! My legs. Oh, that was easy as hell. There you go. Cheat code. If you're skinny enough, put your arm through this. You see this? Videoing this?
Yeah.
Put your arm through this. Get your index finger and get the little built-in washer there and just bam. A little bit harder. But no match for me. Maybe it is a match for me. It's a little too cocky there. Wait, maybe not. Oh my god. Oh no, it's definitely too cocky. Nope.
No, what?
It's just no match for me. For real. Absolutely no match.
Evans? Yeah, keep going.
Cool. In.
Mm-hmm.
Cool.
Flat first. Lock. There you go.
Dude, that really hurt my finger. I'm not gonna lie. Well. Wait.
There you're going.
Go.
Okay.
Is it that way?
Yes.
No, I guess there's only one way I could fit it, right? Go.